Yeah! Get him! Get him! What's going on in here? You know the rules. No games allowed. Now get to class. Understand?
What? Anything but math class?
That's right. It's cool. We can still have fun. Check it out.
Really?
Made it myself. I'm crafty like that. Let's go. Pull and release.
Whoa!
Yeah, nailed it.
Let's get out of here. Whew, made it just in time.
Howdy, Mindy.
Take a seat. My bad. Must have slipped.
Yeah, so slippery. I'm fine, don't worry. Eyes up here.
Or eyes on this.
Huh? Oh boy. Oh yeah? Nice try, unruly students.
What? Oh, it's on now. Ready? Let's take things up a notch, shall we? Let's go!
Whoa! That's crazy! How are you doing that? Hey! Watch the hair, will ya? Nobody outsmarts me!
You sure about that?
Enough playing! Now get to work! You heard the man. Work it is. Lucky for me, I've got all the math essentials. What the? Look at all that stuff!
Forgot I had this. And this.
How do you remember anything? What a mess.
Awkward. Where's my binder?
Let's get organized, folks. Starting with some cardboard. But it won't look like cardboard for long. Is it starting to look familiar yet? Aw, so cute! Avocado friend! And your favorite organization buddy! Hey, check it out! I made it for you! Here you go! Hey, not so fast! It's for your pens and pencils! See?
Oh, I gotcha! Set it down here! Now I can find just what I need. Ready? Set.
Jeez! Okay. Whoops! Can't find ya!
There! Hey, see that over there? I bet I can hit it from here. Yeah?
Wait! You can't! No!
I sure can! It's all about hitting the target.
Oh, both shoes? Don't do it! Mindy, no! Yikes.
Oh no! My target! No!
Mindy? Are you okay? Hello? Anybody home? Whew, this ought to wake her right up. Get a whiff of that. Yeah?
What just happened?
You just woke up.
My head's killing me.
This'll make you feel better. Allow me to assist you. Ta-da! The ultimate launcher.
Who says?
Prepare to be impressed. Ball is secured. Perfect. Now for the launch.
Whoa! That's sick! Let me try!
Easy there, okay? You got this!
Yeah, that's right, baby!
Awesome, right? Oh! What's up? Guess what? Math test time! Now focus.
I already got it done.
Sheesh. I completed mine too. Or at least I thought I did! Wait a sec. I was just about to score. I was so close. And then the dragon came out. And I had to save the entire castle. And I totally forgot about the test! I guess I got a bit distracted. You know what that means? An F? Is the minus really necessary?
Yikes. Let me help. We all get distracted sometimes. You just need to learn to prioritize. And for me, that means making a list. But not just any list. A super cute list. Writing things is way more fun this way. You like? Happy list making!
Wow, I love it! First things first. Breakfast before anything else. Come to school. What else?
Maybe do your homework?
There! That ought to do it! This was so helpful! They're perfect! Just like you!
Oh, you shouldn't have.
I feel so productive! There!
Okay, take that! This game's getting boring.
How about now? Things are getting intense!
Are they? Ugh, whatever.
Aw, is this more stimulating?
No. But this maybe? I mean, how hard could it be? That didn't end well. Hey, look! Oh yeah! Check it out! Woohoo!
Whoa, you're good! Go, Mindy, go!
Oh no! It got away from me! My bad! Oh geez, not the pens! Ugh! This is pretty bad! Oh no, not the trophy! So bad!
Oh, that one hurt!
I'm gonna be in so much trouble!
Wait! I got this! They say nothing's unfixable. Especially when cardboard's involved. Hot glue doesn't hurt either. I sure hope I have enough. There! Looking good! Green. My favorite color. Gotta make sure it stays shut. There! Looking good! Don't you think? Made with my own 2 hands.
Ooh, wow! Very cool! Gotta keep this thing safe for the very best teacher. Yay! There he is!
Good after! Hey! My desk! Who did this?
Well… don't be mad. I got you this.
Huh? Oh! So shiny! Thank you so much! You're too kind!
A pie? No? Okay then.
I can't feel my fingers!
Oh, I'm melting in here. I need it colder. Now! Okay, now that's more like it.
Are you kidding me? Must get heat! Please! This is too cold in here! Oh, thank goodness. So much better!
This must be what the Sahara Desert feels like. No way! I need air! Whew.
No! Oh, that's too cold!
Let go!
Just give it to me!
No way!
Uh-oh.
Now what? Wait, this is bad! Look at that heat! Oh, I need water.
Tell me about it.
Oh, yeah. Wait, my cup! This is the answer! But I'm not using it for water. But it is gonna help cool us down. Just a couple spins here. This way, it's nice and tight. We want lots of spins, baby. And levels, too. Ready? Some relief is on the way. So nice.
Ugh. Let me in on some of that.
Share? I guess. Here.
Oh, thank you. Look at that thing go. Ah, sweet relief.
Excuse me. Care to share?
Ah! Help me! Alright, kids, I'm back. Vacation's over.
Get off!
Hey, it was fun while it lasted. You guys like cats? Cute, huh? Oh, I get it. What are we working with here? Ding, ding, ding. You alright over there? Don't sweat it, I gotcha. Just watch and learn.
I have to make a cat? Okay then. Watch this. Whoa, what am I even doing? Okay, this ain't it. Well… Nope.
Ugh. Do you mind?
Oh, sorry about that.
Look at all this trash. Here's something real for ya. In you go. Got paper trash? No problem here. Done and done. Here you go.
Is that for me? Alrighty. I'm all about that recycling life. Fill her up. I've got plenty to go. Phew, that was quite the cleanup. So handy. Oh no.
Okay, folks. Hand them over.
Okay, let's catify this bad boy.
Good heavens! Magnificent work!
Yeah, I know.